Hello YouTube, Chris Johnson with Rivertown Pro Wash. Just wanted to make a follow-up video on Easy Breeze windows and just give you a few more techniques and a few things some people had asked in comments. So here we go. I'm going to be training you while I train my guy here with me. So basically all you do, you pull up your windows and this slides in, and you just take them out. Now, the secret to Easy Breeze windows, there is a secret. They can only go back in certain ways.
Right.
They can't go in any other way. So they have to go back the exact same way you took them out.
Okay.
And so you just...
Right, because there's different shapes. Once it's front and back, and,
Yep.
and they're different sizes.
So they get a ½ inch wider
right.
as they
down
go up.
Or up.
And so basically this is going to be a all-inclusive video for everybody on YouTube.
Get them out, get them clean, put them back.
Yep. So we use vinyl protector. I know that sunlight's brutal, but you just got to bear with it. And you want to use vinyl protector. You don't want to use anything like Dawn or Windex, because that stuff will dry out. You know, Dawn is made to fight grease. So anything that fights grease is going to dry something out. So don't use Dawn on these windows. And you should have your windows cleaned at least twice a year to keep the flexibility in them and re-oil them, re-nourish them. You spray that stuff on and you wipe it off.
We did the inside of this one, correct? Okay.
And so you just wipe them off really good. You wipe them till they're dry. And you spin them around. You do the exact same thing on the other side. All those little spots of trash will disappear, and that window will look as beautiful as it did the day you put it in. And that's what the goal is. So Jesse, you see the way I'm doing that?
Mm-hmm.
It don't take pressure. It don't take forcefulness. There's no elbow grease needed. It's just you wiping the window off. And that window, I don't know if you could even see it on YouTube, but there were spots all over the window, and they're gone. The homeowner's sitting right there, and you can look through it. They're gone. And so basically, this window, to put them back, you put them right back in the number 4 slot. And you pull your little tabs and put them back in. Just make sure that you're really gentle. You don't push your hand through a screen. You don't want your fingernail to scratch or tear the vinyl. So once it's in, you can push it right back up or pull it down. It doesn't matter. So that's the way you clean Easy Breeze windows. And I've got them set over here in order. And you would clean the next one and put it in the 3rd slot. Clean the next one, put it in the 2nd slot. Clean the last one, put it in the 1st slot. The way you take them out one by one and stack them, you clean one section at a time, and then you put them right back in the window. And you can never go wrong. So thanks, YouTube, and hope that helped on this video. So somebody had asked me about putting them back and different things. So hopefully that helped you. Just remember, be careful with them. No pressure. Clean them. Have a good day.